Easter Kaiser! Easter Kaiser! Easter Kaiser! Yo guys, I'm gonna be showcasing to you how you can actually obtain yourself the Easter Kaiser. Easter Kaiser is here and you can actually get it right now in this brand new update. We also got all the new working codes for you guys, and if you do want a lot of these football eggs, there's a bunch of these football eggs that you need to collect. Alright, there's a bunch of these football eggs. If you can see, there's the pass. You see the pass. You have to collect these football eggs, and if you want these football tokens, they're called tokens, by the way. So if you want tokens, make sure you guys comment down below Easter Kaiser. Comment down below Easter Kaiser for a lot of free tokens. And anyways, guys, make sure you guys redeem all the codes. We got the new codes right here. We got the goat code 1.8. Wait, 1.78? 1.8? I'm getting evicted. Iga Goat, wait, Iga Goat? Okay, Iga Goat, shaboom. Happy Easter, by the way. Happy Easter to anyone that is celebrating Easter. Iga Goat code. Make sure you guys redeem this code. This is the code. We got Easter Kaiser as well. So this is probably a upcoming code, guys. This is actually an upcoming code, so this is the upcoming code. Like the video and subscribe so they actually add this into the game, okay? I'll be also showcasing how to actually get all the eggs, guys. How to get all the eggs, because there's a bunch of eggs to be collected in Blue Luck update. Look, egg hunt in Blue Luck update. So how you collect eggs is pretty much you go to a match, and in every single match there will be like a secret egg in every map. So you gotta like find these eggs, and you can actually find them all by actually following the video. Like the video, guys, subscribe.